center circle Brown, over the line of the right side. Brown leaves it, right wing boards for Gosling, feathers it in front. LeGrand able to make a save, rebound, they score! BARRAULT picked up the loose puck at the near post and roofed it over LeGrand, who was down on his knees. 1-zip Wolves!
That's Breslin, among others, broke up the rush. He has the puck, clears to the line, out. Circa held it in. His rink-wide pass picked off by BARRAULT. Short-handed breakaway. Doug BARRAULT into the zone. He shoots, scores. Doug BARRAULT has cut the lead to 5-3, and the Wolves are not out of it yet.
Then DuPont with a long wrist shot. That's blocked. And the Wolves going to have a 2-on-1. Damien is up the ice with LaValle. Damien, he scores! A short-handed goal. The first of the year for Guillaume Damien. And now it's 5-2. Meanwhile, Balavic, John in the other end. And now Balavic comes together with Donnelly. And a couple of right hands from Balavic. Oh, Donnelly got into good right. Now Balavic answers 2 or 3 more good rights from the Wolves winger. And now Donnelly. Oh, he just got dropped. He just got dropped by Damien. It was quite a battle till the end, and then Damien buried him.
Wow. And by Brace. Brace able to stick in a free 3-on-2. Here come the Wolves. Brace in to Cannone. Cannone shoots. He scores! Finally, something high hits the back of the net. The Wolves lead 1-0. Congratulations on the shutout. His debut, rough outing in Winnipeg. Here's Cannone, he shoots, he scores! And the Wolves have one on the Dynegy Energy Services power play. It'll be Pat Cannone getting the goal, his 6th of the season. Agostino does. We have 4 red sweaters in front of him. He drifts, now finds Megan. Megan drags to the backhand, still has it, shoots, he scores! Roll the highlights!
What an individual effort.
Winnipeg to the Manitoba Moose and a goal by Olsen. Here's Megan cutting out of the corner, shoots, he scores! Number 19 for Wade Megan is a beauty.